Hello.
Hello. Hi.
Kumar.
Hi. I'm Kumao. Do you hear my voice?
Yes, I can hear you. Hajimemashite.
はじめまして。Kumao です。
よろしくお願いします。
よろしくお願いします。Nice to meet you.
Is it Kumao or Kumao?
Kumao.
Okay.
Kumao.
Kuma Betsu. Oh.
Yes. Three accent. Kumao. Yes.
Okay, come on. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm writing it up. Kumao.
Yes.
Kumo, I just saw that you wrote a message to me now, but I couldn't read it because I had to answer you.
Yes.
I understand the message was there, but I couldn't read it all because I had to answer you quickly. And now your message has disappeared.
Sorry, this is my first time to use proper Cambly. So I don't know how to do so. Probably, yeah.
No. Okay, I understand. No problem. But Kumao, can you send the message to me here? Can you send it here, please? Sorry. You can put it here, please.
It's like a is it correct? I don't know.
Yes, I can see it. Thank you.
Okay.
So I remember from your message a few days ago that you wanted to make a video for YouTube. Is that right?
Yes. So the lesson video is automatically recorded anyway in Cambly, right?
Yes.
And yeah, I just want to. It's not like yes. So I want to make sure that my current speaking level. So in the future, I can see this video again and how much I improved. So
okay.
For speaking, I think it's best one of the best way to measure the speaking level, so that I can feel the progress. So
okay. Yeah, I understand. Thank you.
Yeah, yes.
I understand that. Well, thank you.
Thank you.
So let me mention a couple of things to you, please. Kumar, what I normally do is basically there's two things which I do. Other tutors will do it in different ways.
Okay.
The first thing is I can listen to you,
okay,
and then I notice some mistakes, and I write them down.
Okay.
And then I tell you them later. For example, these two. You just said these two now, and I'll discuss it with you.
Okay.
And the other thing is we have lessons here. Cambly has lessons, and I can see that you've put foods you love lesson.
Yes.
Okay, and there's lots of different. I don't know how many lessons there are. Actually, it seems to be about 50 different lessons, but quite a lot. And they are useful.
Yes.
And then we can do ones which are useful for you, and then if they're not useful, we don't have to do them. It's okay. And then also I can mention various points of grammar and various points of conversation. And I don't really focus on grammar theory. Right? I focus on real grammar in conversation.
Okay.
You can say conversational grammar.
Oh.
But now,
sorry.
Too small.
Yeah.
Yeah. Come on. Sorry.
Sorry. I didn't put this lesson, right? I think I didn't mistake. I didn't request the structured lesson, but
you didn't. It came up. Okay, I don't know. It came up by itself.
Yeah, I made a mistake. I was just I just wanted to talk. I just wanted to talk with you that like a regular conversation that you ask me the question. So like what's your hobby, or what's your work, what do you like?
Okay.
Yeah, where are you from?
Well, the the lessons are actually kind of conversation type lessons normally.
Yes.
So they include things like where do you come from? Or this one, let me show it to you quickly. This one includes very simple conversation questions.
Okay.
Like this. And then I have a red pen. I can do this. You see that?
Yes.
And then you can make a blue mark on it with your computer.
Okay.
If you do it, it will come up blue.
Okay. Yes.
Oh yeah, that's it. See? Okay. So you can see it's kind of ordinary conversation type questions. It's not grammar theory questions, these lessons. But Kumo, let me mention something to you, please. It says there, do you notice I've written ways? Can you see that? Ways. You said several way. Okay?
Okay.
Or many way. See, there's no S there.
Yes.
But S hits you. We need S. And it has to be several ways. Fukusuke.
Yes.
Plural. Okay? It needs to be several ways. Many ways. I think you mentioned. You can check it later. Are you videoing this one now?
Yes.
Yes.
It's what? Yes. It's you mean recording?
Yeah, you're recording now. Yes.
Yes.
Well, you can check it later. But I think what you said was.
I think it's I just wanted to. I think it's just my preference was talk first and check later.
Yes, yes. Well, that's what I normally do. Talk, and then have a little break, and then we check, and then talk again. That's what I normally do.
Oh, okay.
So in this case, we need to say several ways. S fukusuke.
Okay.
Now, I live in Japan, so I know that Japanese people have a problem with the, and S, especially these three. Now, you know already.
Yes.
It's Nihonjin Jakuten point.
Exactly, yeah.
Not just you, it's everybody. So don't worry. Almost all Japanese people have problems with these, the, and S. So you said several ways, but we need to say several ways. Okay? Because that is fukusuke plural form.
Okay.
In English, fukusuke means plural. Plural. It's a difficult word for Japanese, plural, because there's L and R and another L. Kumo, just to check, could you please say that word?
Plural.
Plural. Okay, that's good. Yeah, I know it's the Mizkashi Hatsan. Difficult pronunciation. So also, sorry, the second point, you said measure. Now measure, what's the Nihongo? Hakaru?
Yes. Hakaru.
Hakaru? Yeah. Now, that's a difficult word also for Japanese because of this. Right. These two words, I noticed it many, many times. These two words are very difficult for Japanese people.
Okay.
We can say the kubetsu is difficult. Yes. Do you know how to say kubetsu?
Yes.
Like kubetsu dekinai in English. Do you know how to say that?
Distinguish.
Good. Nice. So no, that's good. That's a good word. So it's difficult to distinguish these for Japanese, also Korean and Chinese people as well.
Oh, okay.
So, but actually, the meaning is different. Right. So if you listen back to your first word, you said major. Now, major, I mean, what does it mean, major?
Major means that university expertise.
Yes. Yeah. Okay, right. And then we've got like Japanese Major League Baseball.
Major.
Or I think America they say Major League, don't they? Yes. I'm from Scotland, so we don't play baseball in Scotland. We don't even play cricket most of the time. So major and measure, you can see the meaning is totally different, right? It's not connected. But the Hatsu one, the pronunciation is very similar for Japanese people.
Okay, yes.
So please say the second one. The second one means hakaru. Please say it.
Measure.
You see? It's kashi. It's difficult. Very difficult. So I'm going to call major. I'll call it Juyo. Okay. Right. The Juyo one is major, and hakaru is measure.
Oh.
Can you hear this? This is the Juyo one or Ichiban. Major. Hakaru, measure. Can you hear measure is a little bit nobas?
Yes.
Major, measure. It's a little bit nobas.
Major.
Nobas means the sound extension.
Yes.
Okay. So please say the Juyo one again. First one.
Major.
Okay, good. And then please say hakaru, but a little bit nobas.
Major.
See, that's better. Yeah, that's good.
Measure.
All right. Yeah. So I heard those two mistakes while you were talking.
Okay.
So, come on. Sorry. Please tell me more about you. Which part of Japan do you live in?
Actually, currently I'm living in the U.S.
Oh, okay. That's not part of Japan.
I'm from Japan.
Excuse me. Sorry. It's still cold here.
Okay.
I live in Kyushu.
Kyushu.
Yes.
I've never been to Kyushu, but it should be a little warmer, right?
Well, actually, it's not bad now. The temperature is getting to be slowly better, so it's okay now. Yes.
Okay.
Sorry, which part of Japan are you from?
I'm from Osaka.
Osaka, okay. And so now you live in America.
Yes.
Number one. Okay, sorry, Americans. Only joking. Which part of America do you live in?
I live in California, Orange County.
Oh, yeah, I've heard of it. Is California Orange County because there's many oranges there? Is that the reason?
I forgot, but probably. I don't really know why it's Orange County, but yeah, I think so.
Maybe it's orange because everyone has an orange color. I don't know.
But yeah, there are a lot of orange colored buildings.
Come on, sorry. What did you say? Orange buildings?
Orange colored buildings, like shops that the roof was like orange, not really vivid orange, but just like orange. Yeah, all the.
I see.
Yeah.
I see. In Scotland, where I'm from, also Scotland and Northern Ireland, orange has a special religious meaning.
Wow.
Orange is the color of Protestant Christians, and green is the color of Catholic Christians.
Wow.
Did you know that?
No, I never heard that before.
Well, it's a bit of a stupid thing actually about the difference in central Scotland, Glasgow, and Edinburgh, and Northern Ireland. They have a kind of Catholic Protestant conflict before, and they have a green color for the Catholics and an orange or sometimes blue color for the Protestants.
Okay. So you are from Scotland?
Yes.
Scotland is part of England?
No.
Actually, I have never been to Europe, so I am.
No, it's